If you've been using GSD in Claude Code, Codex, Gemini, or any other agentic coding harness, it's time to uninstall it. Because its creator, Taches, which we can now officially call Tuchis, pulled a fast one and his repos can no longer be trusted. So for context, GSD was my favorite spec-driven development framework. I've personally advocated for this. I've told people to install it. I've helped people use it because of the way it does context engineering and breaks projects into granular tasks and does research and testing on many levels. After the original GSD came out, he released GSD 2, which is based on the Pi framework. I didn't like this one as much, and you couldn't even use Claude Code with it, so I always defaulted back to the original GSD. So why am I saying you have to uninstall it? Well, Taches turned GSD into a meme coin. I'm not a crypto bro, I don't mess with it, but basically GSD was the top project on the Bags app, and it also won the Bags app hackathon. And a few days ago, he allegedly extracted all of its worth, deleted his account on Twitter, and he's abandoned the project. But before deleting his Twitter, he posted online that GSD Cloud is pretty much obsolete. He claims that Claude Code and Codex already ate it, it's not really relevant anymore, and that's his justification at least for abandoning the project. Online, they're saying he pulled nearly $500,000 from Bags app, causing the token to crash about 90%. 25th Premier on Twitter broke down how it got up to around 500K. The math doesn't really make sense to me, but again, I'm not into crypto. I don't really understand how all this works. I don't know what really happened here. I want to give him the benefit of the doubt, but the fact of the matter remains, you don't want somebody's code running on a computer that you know you can't trust. So if you go to the original GSD, you can see now that GSD has moved. There's a new repo, GSD Redux. It's already been scanned for anything shady. From my understanding, there's nothing shady in GSD 1 or GSD 2 as of now, but if you know you can't trust the original creator of something with your money, you don't want to trust them with the ability to run arbitrary code or any code on your computer. So I look at this as a supply chain risk. Essentially, if some shady code was pushed to the original GSD and you updated it, you would have no way of knowing. And because he broke the trust of the community, it's not worth it for any of us to have the original version on his computer. Now, the new version of GSD is supposedly maintained by actual software developers. Tuchis, by his own account, wasn't a developer. He never looked at any code.
I'm actually a music producer. I've been only a music producer for my entire life. I got into vibe coding with Claude Code. Loads of developers, like people at Amazon, Apple, Google, Microsoft, they're all using it. This thing that was created by somebody who does not write or even read code.
I think it's very clear that he just saw a way to make money off of his viral GitHub repo, and he did it. And by the way, that's not even the biggest rug pull of the week. At Google I/O, they announced that Gemini CLI, which is one of the open source versions of Claude Code that so many people have contributed to, is now being deprecated. They are now moving it all over to Anti-Gravity CLI, which is not open source. Add to that mini Shai-Hulud, the huge supply chain risk that came back out this week that affects thousands of packages. It's just a wake-up call of how fragile the open source community is. So GSD Redux, the new open source version, says after trust and ownership concerns around the former upstream, including a meme coin rug pull incident publicly associated with that ecosystem, and the former creator and GSD build lineage are no longer part of the program, the repository is the maintained continuation under OpenGSD governance. So uninstalling it is a bit tricky because depending on which version you're running, it can be installed in multiple places and running for multiple runtimes. So there's a Reddit post that goes over the migration guide. Most importantly, it tells you how to uninstall the original Get Shit Done, the original GSD, but this is actually only for GSD 1, not GSD 2. And even though there's an uninstall command here, it runs npx first, which actually installs it before uninstalling it. The truth is, it really depends on what version of GSD you have on your computer, because from what I've seen, GSD gets installed in multiple places. To be honest, I'm pretty disappointed. I'm pretty annoyed that I had to make a video like this. GSD, at its core, was a pretty great tool. I'm a big believer of spec-driven development. As good as Claude Code and Codex and all these other agentic coding harnesses have gotten, context engineering is still so important, especially when building big projects. So I hope you found this video helpful or insightful. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.